In 2025, Tesla Superchargers are increasingly accessible to both Tesla and non-Tesla electric vehicles. This introduction breaks down the payment process for both types of users, covering everything from using the Tesla app to third-party solutions and discussing recent changes in Tesla's network, including access for non-Tesla vehicles. Tesla owners benefit from an integrated payment system through the app, while non-Tesla users can access via apps or RFID cards. Recent network changes have opened more stations to non-Tesla vehicles, making charging more convenient. The goal is to make EV charging simple and stress-free. For Tesla owners, payment at Superchargers is seamlessly integrated into your vehicle's system. Simply park at the Supercharger station and plug in your charging cable. Charging starts automatically once plugged in. The Tesla system recognizes your vehicle and initiates the session without any manual input from you. Once your charging session ends, payment is processed automatically in the background. The cost is deducted from the credit card linked to your Tesla account, with no additional steps needed from you. You can track your charging session in real time and review detailed costs and energy usage either through the Tesla mobile app or by checking your vehicle's touchscreen display. The integrated system offers several advantages. No need for RFID cards, no requirement to use separate payment apps, and everything is handled seamlessly through your existing Tesla account with automatic post-session billing. Tesla now offers a Supercharger app specifically for non-Tesla owners, introduced in 2025. Start by downloading the app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, create an account within the app and securely add your payment information, such as a credit card or digital wallet. At the Supercharger location, open the app and select your desired charging stall. This reserves the spot and prepares for charging. Initiate the charging session through the app. It will track your progress in real time, showing energy consumed and time remaining. The app automatically bills you based on the energy used. Remember, non-Tesla users generally pay a higher per kilowatt-hour rate compared to Tesla owners. Besides the Tesla app, you can use third-party apps like EVgo, ChargePoint, or PlugShare. It's at Tesla's Supercharger locations that are part of the Magic Dock program. These apps provide access to Tesla Superchargers that have opened up to non-Tesla vehicles. EVgo is one popular option, offering fast charging through their network. ChargePoint is another reliable choice, with a wide network and user-friendly interface for managing your charging sessions. PlugShare offers detailed station information and reviews, helping you find compatible Tesla Superchargers easily. These apps may require an RFID card for tap-to-start charging at Tesla stations. You'll need to ensure the app is compatible with the specific Tesla station you're using, and add your payment details within the chosen app for seamless billing. Supercharger costs are based on kilowatt-hours or kilowatt-hours consumed rather than the time spent charging. This means you pay for the actual energy used to charge your battery. Rates for superchargers vary depending on the location and time of day. Some areas have higher costs due to regional electricity prices, while peak hours, when demand is high, may incur additional surcharges. Tesla owners generally receive lower rates compared to non-Tesla users. This pricing difference helps offset the costs of maintaining the supercharger network. Be aware of idle fees, which may apply if you leave your vehicle plugged in after the charging session is complete. These fees encourage efficient use of the superchargers. Always check the Tesla app or compatible third-party apps for the most current rates before charging. This ensures you're aware of any location-specific or time-based pricing. First, download a compatible charging app such as Tesla's non-Tesla app or EVgo from your device's app store. Next, create an account in the app and securely add your payment information, such as a credit card. Then, use the app to locate a Tesla Supercharger that is open and supports non-Tesla vehicle charging. Park your vehicle at the Supercharger station and plug in using the charging cable and a CCS adapter if needed. Open the app and start the charging session by scanning a QR code at the station or using the app's Start button. While charging, monitor the progress in the app, including battery percentage and estimated completion time. Finally, end the charging session through the app to stop charging and receive your payment bill. Always ensure your payment information is up to date in the app you're using. This prevents billing issues and ensures smooth charging sessions. Check your linked credit card or account balance regularly. If you encounter issues during charging, first check your network connection. Poor connectivity can prevent the app from communicating with the charger. Try switching to a different charging stall, as some may have better signal or be less busy. For persistent issues, contact Tesla's customer support through their app or website. If using a third-party app, reach out to their support team. Provide details about your location, app version, and error messages to get faster help. Be aware of supercharger etiquette. Unplug promptly when your vehicle is fully charged to free up the stall for others. Avoid hogging stalls by not lingering unnecessarily, as this helps maintain fair access for all EV drivers. The future of EV charging payments will see greater integration and standardization across networks. Currently, fragmented systems will evolve into unified platforms that work seamlessly for all electric vehicles, reducing complexity and improving accessibility. Subscription models are becoming more common, offering predictable costs for frequent charging. Tesla's Supercharger Pass, for example, provides unlimited access for a monthly fee, making long-distance travel more affordable and convenient. Unified payment platforms that work across multiple networks are on the horizon. Imagine one app handling payments for Tesla Superchargers, Electrify America, and other networks, eliminating the need for multiple accounts and cards. AI-optimized billing will use artificial intelligence to provide dynamic pricing based on demand, time of day, and grid conditions. This could offer lower rates during off-peak hours and help balance energy loads more efficiently. Carbon-neutral payment options will allow users to fund renewable energy projects through their charging fees. This sustainability-focused approach could make EV charging not just convenient, but environmentally beneficial. The future of EV charging payments promises to be seamless and convenient, with these innovations making electric vehicle ownership even more accessible and sustainable for everyone.